In this video, I will show you how to delete a campaign in Google Ads. To do this, just go and open up Google Ads and in the left menu, go to Campaigns and click on the Campaigns dropdown, and from there, also click Campaigns. There you will find all of your campaigns. Now just find the campaign that you want to go in and remove or delete. So I have this one right here called Campaign 1. Now from there you can click on the Edit Settings right there. And then from within Settings, under Campaign Status, just click on the drop-down. And now it's set to Enable, just click on it, and then click Removed, and then click Save. And now it says Confirm Removal. Once you remove a campaign, you cannot run it again. So click Remove Campaign, and after you do that, it will be removed. So that's how to delete a campaign on Google Ads. If this video was helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to my channel. With that being said, I will see you in the next video.